Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Yeah, there's the panel. I did wrap some bead wrap around the outside here. Made it look a little better. And we got a good solid foundation now. Very nice. Yeah, let it dry up, and now it's solid. I mean, you can move the whole trailer from the bottom and the top and the sides. So, yeah. But that's where it's going. Hang on a sec, let me set you up here. Let's see if we can dry assemble it before we do any sealing. Yeah, I'll set you over here on this table, hopefully. Move you around a little bit. There we go. All right, let's dry assemble it. See what we got. Here's the vent system. I do believe. Hang on. I do believe it's going to go on something like so. Let's try it and see what happens here. Got it upside down. Yep, I did. Yeah. Alright, so goes in tight, I'll tell you that. Yeah, somewhere in there. Yeah, I think it goes in like such. Now let's try it and see. Yeah, like such. Yeah, it's gonna be way better than it was, I'll tell you that. Can you see that? Sure you can. Alright, good. Yeah, and then we're gonna attach our sealer on the back. Yeah. But that looks way better, and it's gonna be waterproof when we're done. Should hold up well. I like it. I like it. Alright, so let's finish this up. Let's put some sealer on the back. But this bead roll looks a lot better on the top and around all the edges than the old stuff. You know, just putting a plain old, I'll bring you in here where you can see a little better. That's about right. Anyway, it looks better than it did without anything, you know, with this, it looks better. So, let me finish it up. I'll bring you back. Hang on, guys. Alright folks, we got the panel put on. I hope you can see all that. Move you a little bit. There you go. Yeah, we got the panel put on. Got it all sealed up. Let it sit for a bit and we can clean some more off. But it ain't gonna leak. And that bead looks a lot better around the edge than just having raw metal. Yeah, now all we have to do is to finish the vent. I got it to where it pulls out. Yep. So we'll get some stuff around the back of that. Yep. Drill our little holes. Put it in place. Alright. Hang on. We'll be back. Alright guys, I think we got it. Vents all in, and used galvanized and stainless screws the whole way around. And now all I gotta do is put the stainless screen back on there. Keep the bees and bugs out of there, and dirt daubers, and yeah. So, that's all we got left. And it attaches, where's the little springs? Anyway, I got 2 little springs. There's one of them. It attaches with these little springs. Oh, where are you? There you are. Yeah, no problem. So that's what that is. And I think we're done. Let that cure up, and then I can come around here and clean it up a little more. Eventually I'm going to paint the whole thing, so right now it's golden. Let's bring you up here. Sorry guys. Shaky. Well, there it is. Yeah. And I used Rust-Oleum on the metal, but that edge banding makes it look a little better. But no more wood. Alright guys, love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye bye.